Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager for Toshiba Canada. I'd like to demonstrate for you today a scanning app for Toshiba copiers known as StackSend. Some vendors call it Job Build. Job Build is generally a copy function where you can scan paper documents both through the document feeder and off the glass. But it's much more difficult to do it as a scan function. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you today, and I'm going to share a screen. So this is a virtual network connection between the copier over my shoulder right here in the blue LCD panel and the copier control panel. We can do various tasks, but the task I'm interested in today is called StackSend. I'm using PIN code authentication, so I'm going to type that in now. As StackSend loads up, you might want to scan, for example, paper receipts like this, or maybe paper documents like this, that it might be perhaps double-sided as one document. So I want you to note that we can scan single-sided or double-sided. I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to put these paper documents in the feeder. I want to mention this is a great application for, in this case, expense receipts, or maybe for law firms scanning different sized paper together, or all kinds of different industries. But at any rate, I'm going to scan these in. There's those documents now. Now I'm going to scan in these paper receipts. There they are now on one piece of paper. So I'm going to select various pages I want to send as a document. I don't need the blank backside. This is a repeat in the receipts. Notice I can send it either to a folder on my computer or a network folder or email. First, I'm going to demonstrate email. I pre-programmed my email address in there, but I can also select from the address book of the copier. And I'm going to call this this file Canada 1. And send it. So this is now on its way to my email inbox. I'm going to stop sharing this screen and share a different screen. And look at my Office 365 account. So you can see it's 365. So there it is. Oops, there it is. It just arrived. So there it is there, called Canada 1, and it's my expense report. See the various different things I've scanned in there. I'm going to stop sharing this, close that. And we'll go back to here. And I'm going to stop sharing this screen and share a different screen. So now we're going to look how we can send to a network folder. I can pre-program up to 10 different locations that I want to send this to: payroll, shipping, accounting, whatever it might be. But in this case, I want to send to OneDrive for Business. And I'm going to change the name on this one to USA 1. And send. So that's on its way now to that folder. I'm going to share a different screen. So this is the my C drive on my computer, and I've scanned directly to a folder called OneDrive-Toshiba Tech, and there's that USA 1 folder or file I just scanned. So I can scan to this location, It could be a network location, whatever I want it to be. I'm going to stop sharing this screen and share a different screen. And back to my Office 365 account, in this case, OneDrive. There's that file folder there called USA1. Again, it's my expense report. You can see the various files. I want you to note that Microsoft has a feature called Sync, which allows it to watch various folders on your computer, and every 30 or 40 seconds it'll watch it and ping it and upload the file to your location. So it's a great way to import the scan files into Microsoft 365. So I'm going to stop sharing this screen and share one final screen. This is my contact information. I just want you to know that StackSend is an app that has to be installed in your copier. It doesn't come standard, but it's great for people who want to scan files from both the dock feeder and the glass of various different sizes and whatever. It's used in law firms, as I mentioned, and many other different industries. I hope you found this video informative. And any questions, I'd be happy to help you in the future. Please contact me and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.